Hi everyone, today I would like to share how you can use RSS feed as a trigger to find leads, enrich leads, and build it into your CRM workflow. So I'm just gonna take an example of last week in Context Substack. So they have Medium as well as Substack feed. So once you put it on a trigger, it notifies me that okay, hey, new blog post is published. Then I use LLM to extract structured data. Here, I'm only interested in newly funded companies. So there are other things mentioned in the blog post which are removed. It notifies me on Slack. It adds to the Google Sheet for me to track. And then I do a bit of cleaning to research more about each and every company which got newly funded. And then I add some context personalization with my services and use Perplexity to in-depth research about the company and the product information, do some cleaning with the code, uh, sends me a Slack message as well as email. And then there's another thing where now I have group of companies. I also want to do some individual company based annotation and cleaning. So this is just a for loop that goes through each and every company list. So this way, uh, if you have multiple leads or company information in a newsletter, you can use this workflow to automate this. And keep in mind here, I'm getting company names. So the prompt I have structured in Perplexity is in such a way that it finds my decision maker persona and it writes a personalized message for that persona and aggregates that and sends me email and Slack message for it. So it automates a lot of downstream tasks of research, personalization, context addition using this workflow.